What's going on, everyone? Happy Thursday. So basically the reason why we're making this video is there's so much success already with this indicator. As you can see, I too am catching all kinds of pips. This is gold. We still putting in some work, just testing out some things, just making sure the efficiency and consistency of whatever we see on these charts is what the indicator is telling us, and is boosting the confidence. So of course, whenever we are putting some performances out here on the charts, we want to highlight how well this product and tool is doing for us. So with me, we have a few of our students who are equally enjoying this software as well. We got my brother Darley, Army veteran, shout out, shout out, shout out. Thank you for your service, my guy. And we also have my brother Dawn, and he's excited to check out what's going on with this indicator because we're ready to pop it and catch that bag for 2022. We keeping that same energy and we putting our foot on these pairs necks. You hear me? All right. So Darley, talk to him, man. How you feeling, bro? Greg, how
Hey,
you
I'm
doing,
feeling
bro?
good. Feeling real good, real good. It's all
Yes, sir.
thanks to
Yes,
the
sir. Yes,
MMA
sir. Yes,
indicator.
sir. Yes, sir. How you feeling about the indicator, man? What's it been like?
Hey, absolutely awesome. I'm not second guessing myself, more confidence at the same time too, coming from uh a place of, where I doubted myself and where I was asking myself, when will I be able to, at least, be clapped for? But now, it's finally here, and it's all thanks to the MMA indicator. At the
Solid,
same
solid.
time, learning a lot more than I thought I knew, but I didn't know, So again, it's helping me gain and teaching me at the same time.
Awesome, awesome. So what has changed, man? You've gained like quite a bit of confidence in such a short time. And if you don't mind telling us a story of how high it's been for a couple months now.
Well, for a couple months, you could say, I kept losing money here, money there, all together. I'll say all total about a good quick, what, $600 to $800 every time I would fund my account, get on there and start trading, my account would just, wipe out. And the thing is,
Like,
I had a problem with knowing when to get in the trade and when to get out the trade. Those were some of my main problems, knowing when and when to get out. But with the indicator, it already tells me when to get in. And by knowing when to get in with the indicator, I've even tried to get in on my own without the indicator. And that's what I mean, that, is teaching me, not only am I gaining, but it's also teaching me, to know exactly when to get in, when to get out. And another thing too that I'm still working on is the fact that I tend to sit on certain trades when I'm not, I got to stop that, rather than, just take my profit and, just get out, rather than sitting on it, coming from a mindset of, stocks and things like that. So, still working on it, still a student. But one thing I could say is the fact that, the confidence is way high, a lot higher than it was, I'll say, about 2-3 months ago.
I like that. I like that. I like that. Did you mention how much you just currently grew your account just a few weeks since having this indicator?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I was down to like close to like what, $48 to $50. And
Right.
right now I'm currently at $550. So it could have been more too. It could have been more. It's due to me
Hold
sitting
on,
on
hold on, hold
trades.
on, hold on. You say $48. So you said $550 approximately, right?
Correct,
So
correct.
so that means you've gained about $500 on an account that had $48.
Exactly.
You realize what you're doing is not normal, right? That's a
Well, hey,
crazy return on investment, man.
that indicator is the truth. That's all I can say.
Damn. Wow. Yo, I'm excited. This is amazing because what you're essentially saying is, with the proper skill set and understanding of this indicator, somebody who literally has less than $100, disclaimer, you know, past performances do not guarantee future results, and trading the currency markets definitely carry high risk, and not everybody's performance is going to determine that this is what's going to be decided for your fate. You have to have resilience, discipline, and all that good stuff and the proper knowledge that is taught here in Markets Apprentice Academy. So not to take away from your light, bro. Um, it's definitely occurred to me that even though like you have access to good videos to watch, and things are broken down, simply or whatever, but there was still something missing for you, huh? You needed uh more of a structure and a visual aid, right? So,
Absolutely. I
so what
mean,
is the
me
difference
personally,
between just trading naked and seeing what the indicator is telling you? Like, are you a color coded person, and like does this kind of fit your personality more? Like, what has really clicked?
you hit it on the nail. As far as the colors, yes, and definitely the hands-on. I'm definitely hands-on. Coming from a military background, it's like I need to see it. I need to visually see it, be able to touch it, actually, get that access to it, and then go from there. If
Mm,
somebody's telling me something, like say, for instance, learning online has never been my thing. I've always been to kind of sit down in a classroom and actually gain that information directly. So I feel like this right here is definitely doing that.
mm. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. Wow, I appreciate that, man. There's so much sauce coming from you. Pretty sure the
And
audience
again,
is
I'm a
delighted to
person.
hear. Too good to be true.
Nah, man, I'm a person. I don't know if you remember, I was at the bottom of the barrel. I mean, when it came to getting it, I mean, I was slowly dragging. I'm like that person at the end, that straggler. But now I don't feel that way.
I like that. Wow, that's powerful, man. Well, all the success to you and congratulations on your gains. And what else would you like to say as far as like what your current strategy is, and how are you gaining so much profits consistently nowadays? Like, are you doing anything different from what you were doing before?
I mean, to be honest with you, the main thing I'm doing is following those MMA indicator rules by the T. At the same time, too, I'm double checking, the 1 hour, the 5 minute, the 4 hour, and the daily chart, just to make sure. Just like you had posted on the recording, and also too, Trading View. That's another Bible right there. So I'm double checking, rechecking, triple checking myself before I actually go in there, just to
Wow.
make sure.
So
So
are
I
you
would say
like
those are my
closing
key terms.
profits? Are you closing profits consistently too, or how is that going?
Yes, consistently. But the thing is, the only thing I need to work on is not to sit on them. That's my thing. I keep sitting on them. Once
Mm,
I get that down packed, then, I'll be better, because could have had more, but by sitting, I've lost some going through the way. As far as gaining to where I'm at right now with the 500, it could have been a lot more than that. But I've sat on some trades to where, just I guess just me, again, it's a mental thing. So I got to work on that.
okay. Wow. Well, it seems like you've definitely found a bit of your rhythm. So just keep that up, man. I'm very happy to hear of these good testimonials. It sounds very genuine because it is, and I'm looking forward to seeing more of your success in 2022, brother. Oh, by the way,
Absolutely. And again, I do have to thank you.
yeah, go ahead. My bad. Not to cut you off. Would you like to also share your screen and show the people how you're working with this indicator? I definitely want to see your way of thinking when you see certain setups and whatnot that
No
work best
problem.
for
No
you.
problem. I
And
could share that, because currently I'm still on the Euro GBP trade right now.
go ahead and show that to us.
So
Share your screen real quick, my guy.
absolutely. Can you see
Ah,
it?
there it is. We got a real account. Okay. Yes, sir.
As you can see right there, 544 on the side, the balance, you
Let's
know,
get it.
and I'm currently on that Euro GBP trade. So
Mm,
again, I don't want to sit on it too long, but at the same time too, hey, just getting it. Like I said, morning, noon, and night.
Dang, you catching these pips. New York, London session, Asia don't matter to you, huh? I
Hey, I
like
haven't
that.
been getting any sleep, but it's all worth it.
Oh man, I like that. Can we check the account history if you don't mind? Just some of
Absolutely,
those.
absolutely.
naysayers are always checking in online and
It's
talking
the history
about,
right there.
oh
You can go
Lord, here
through
we
it.
go. Oh, look at these beautiful profits. Wow, okay. That looks good, man. It seems like you are using a strategy of using $1 per pip or 50 cents per pip.
Exactly.
Okay, I see a repeat of 20 bucks, 15 bucks, 22. So you're basically closing in each $20 profit or so, huh?
Correct, correct. But before that, I was losing like right there. I lost 30, 33, 28. Again, I sat on it,
Right.
and just had to get out the trade. So, it's not all perfect, but at the same time, like I mentioned, I'm at a better place now than I was 2, 3 months ago.
I like that. I like that. That's good
See,
to know. So I see that you have about 6 trades currently running. And
correct.
because of the indicator's way of showing us the current trades that we're in and how many pips, it seems like you got in on some nasty sniper entries here. Very, very impressive. And so which suns and which rays do you typically like gravitate towards?
I always gravitate to the Blu-ray and the
Okay.
green sun.
Why is
Always.
that?
That's the main one. The other ones, I'll double check and triple check myself. I still get into them, but the Blu-ray definitely get into it. A lot of time too, the green sun by itself, if I'm like in a trade and it's reversing and I see the green sun, then I'll gravitate to that as well too. I automatically change up.
Mm,
But I won't
okay.
take that much risk as far as going in there like 2 or 3 times. I'll be very wise based on how I see the whole pattern is going. If it's if it's on an uptrend or downtrend, based on my trading view, on screen. So I'll go back to that as well too. So it's a back and forth.
Okay, okay. So the Blu-ray, as we know, but the people who are watching this video don't know, what does the Blu-ray mean for you, and how does that help your trading confidence as well?
The Blu-ray is the most powerful, bearish reversal right there. So whenever I see that, I pay attention to, where it's at, because again, I forgot his name, but he had made a good point. He said to wait at least 16 to 24 hours, before entering, you know, which I kind of noticed that that's a factor for me. It works out. So the minute I see the Blu-ray, I don't just jump in there. I wait a while to give it some time, and then I'll go back to like the 30-minute, the 15-minute, the 4 hour, just check it out to see how it is. Once I
Right.
notice that they're all popping on all those different timestamps, then you know what, I make my move.
I like that. And the person who said that is Greg. He so happens to be on the call too. We're gonna
Greg,
get
yes, yes, I
his
gotta give him
input.
props for that. I can't take that for myself.
Shout out to
Greg said
brother Greg, man. Another pip catcher, another filthy pip addict on the call. So I
Starting
definitely
to
want to shout you guys out because this is amazing, and you guys are the pioneers of this software because you are one of the first ones to use it. Not to mention we have other students who are already like making 6 figures with the knowledge, but now with this, oh man, I can't even imagine how much Uncle Sam, take it easy, all right? So um I think I really like what you just said here because the thing about this indicator, yes, it's been making things a lot more simple, but at the end of the day, however, you have to make sure that you give it time for like a setup like this because even if price impulsively pushes the first day or the first impulsive leg, we have to wait for it to come back and mitigate, and then we enter. And sometimes it also shows another zone, the boxes, the supply and demands boxes that also are part of the indicator, customized to show up and mark the zones automatically on the charts. So I think that's also a good thing. Let's actually go down to 30-minute time frame and see what's going on. Okay. All right. So it seems like your GBP is going to need a high volume to break through and continue to buy. However, the way the way the Blu-ray is popped up definitely gives a sign of confidence in
Exactly.
the next coming days or even the new year, because
Yeah, I
they're
was
looking.
in
Yeah, go
watching
ahead,
movie
Greg.
also. Yeah,
Oh
I am
man,
in that boy also.
oh man, you guys see that? Let's go ahead. Let
That's
me
what's
share my
up,
screen
Greg.
real quick.
Good bro. What about you?
Yeah. I was just about to talk about gold. Oh man. Oh Lord. Gold has taken off.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I'm up 61 pips on that. Looks good. Looks real good. I'm expecting price to uh take out liquidity from 1819. So I'm basically gonna be in on this swing because all this impulsiveness definitely will have a harsh pullback. I'm not sure how things are gonna play out because Forex Factory's already shown us that tomorrow is a German bank holiday. Things are winding down. But yeah, I definitely gonna be closing in major profits because on the live account at least, because the thing is, when the new year starts, who knows what kind of crazy pullback these market makers got up their sleeves. So yeah, let's go ahead and enjoy this and see what the potential is going to be. But let me go ahead and stop sharing. Just wanted to point that out. And good job, Darley. I definitely want to shout you out because you are one of those people who have been resilient. You've been cheering everybody on, but I had a feeling that you needed something, and I reached out to you right after the indicator was ready to go. And bro, you have exceedingly outdone yourself, man, and I'm very proud of you.
Nah, I truly appreciate that. Again, it's all in God's time, man. Because again,
Amen.
like you said, as soon as you told me about it, hey, full force, and
Took
that's it.
action.
The rest is history.
I like that. I like that. I like that. All right, man. Let's go ahead and give it up to Greg. Um, he's one of those guys who also have been grabbing these pips by the throat, and just
Yeah,
yeah, man. How long
but
have you been trading so far? How long have you
yeah,
been with the academy?
the thing is, I'm not really profitable consistently, but I see the thing clearly than before, and with the indicator, I can see the demand and the support zone. Uh, I just have to work on my emotion.
Yeah, you meant supply
Yeah,
back there,
and
not
think
support.
2022 gonna be lit.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah.
Do you mind sharing your screen real quick just to show us what you got going on with the indicator?
Uh, okay, I don't mind. Uh,
By
Okay.
the way, this webinar was brought to you by Forex Fashion. Got my Catch Pips and Chill hat on. You already know what time it is, baby. Go check it out. Forexfashion.co. You already know. All right.
And
Oh, seems like we're losing you a little bit. If you don't mind maximizing your screen.
bro,
You still here?
yeah, my connection is unstable.
Okay, it's not stable. Okay. Uh,
Yeah.
yeah. All right. Okay. Go ahead and maximize your screen, please, so we can see better.
Oh, okay, hold on.
Yeah, just the MT4 screen. You can just maximize it.
Uh, my okay.
Oh yeah, that's what you're not doing. You gotta
M4
go
keep
to your left.
crashing, bro.
Hold on a second. Let me help you out here.
What?
Go ahead. All right. I got you, my guy. Here we go. All right.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm. Okay, talk to us, man. Tell us why you got in this trade and how things have been running for you.
Okay, I was looking at 30-minute time frame. The 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 30 minute, the 15 minute, the day and the week, and I definitely see that is it's a demand zone,
Mhm.
and next week we're gonna jump in the trade, and my stop loss, yeah, exactly below the store, and I'm waiting.
Okay, so it seems like you about to swing this thing.
Yeah, exactly.
Absolutely, man. You haven't told the people what your favorite pair is and how you've been doing damage with that pair.
uh it was NG, but uh
You guys broke up?
yeah,
Oh
but
man.
actually with the indicator, I don't have a favorite. I'm watching all of the pairs and I'm dropping the right opportunity.
Okay. That's fair. That's fair.
Yeah,
What do you typically look for? Are you the type to look for the Blu-ray as well? Or
yeah, the blue way, and I'm waiting. One more. If I'm Yeah, if I want to
oh, we lost them again.
I'm watching the 1 hour or the 4 hour time frame. But if you
Okay.
want to scalp, it's 1 minute or 5 minutes. I'm trying to learn it better.
Nice, nice, nice. Well, safe to say that 2022 is going to be very uh,
Exactly.
convenient and profitable for you because
Yeah.
you have access to this software and have lifetime. Um, you have the software for a lifetime, so you don't have to worry about growth. You'll naturally grow because
Mm-hmm.
you have no pressure to pay any more than whatever you paid for the software, and it's a one-time fee, so you get to grow along with it.
Exactly.
What would you say is like your biggest breakthrough, like the biggest, like what clicked for you once you started using this indicator?
More confident. I'm more
Hmm.
confident.
Why
Yeah,
is that?
definitely. Because I can identify the structure better, and I can see the damage zone, the
Greg, you still here?
Yes, I am.
Okay, we lost you at demand zone.
You hear me?
Yeah, I hear you now.
Okay, okay.
We lost you at
Yeah, just
demand
like
zone.
I said before.
Okay,
Yeah, the demand zone, the supply zone, and sometimes I just have to wait.
okay, nice.
Uh-huh.
That's good, man. I see you are testing this account live, growing a
Yeah,
nice small account. Keeping yourself steady and having better discipline. That's good, man. I'm really proud to see that. And
yeah.
the last question I had for you. So besides the indicator, have the videos that break down the different concepts have that helped you as well to kind of use the indicator, or is it just
Of
if you
course,
did
of
not
course,
learn
of course,
anything, would
of
you
course.
still be profitable with this indicator?
I learn, and beside the indicator, I use the trading view. I use trading view to do my analysis,
Mhm.
and your videos too.
All right.
Yeah,
Which
the videos
concept do
are
you like the
great.
best?
What?
Which concept do you like the best when you're trading? Is it
Uh,
structure, supply and demand,
yeah, supply and demand first,
liquidity?
and liquid liquidity. Step one, and wait for the step two, and then boom.
Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right. Wow, man. This was amazing. I appreciate you for your time, bro. and
Wow.
your constant belief in the academy and your journey has definitely been
Oh,
showing
thank you.
improvement.
Thank you, bro.
Definitely, man. So without further ado, we're not here to spend too much time. Guys, thank you so much. What are you looking forward to as far as goals for the rest of your trading career? What do you see yourself?
I just want to be profitable.
That's a word.
Yeah, consistently.
That's the word, man. That's the word. Dawn, do you have anything you'd like to say before we finish? Oh man, what's up with the connection today, guys?
Don't know.
Gonna have to catch some pips for that.
That's a good one.
But yeah, I mean, I see what you're doing, man, and these are the type of how should I say this? Like you're out there helping people be successful, man. So I appreciate that. And rest is well, it's up to us to go that success.
Absolutely, man. Absolutely. I definitely appreciate your input, my brother. Hopefully next time you could sound more like you're not calling from jail, with the connection. But yeah, I can't wait for you to actually get your hands on this indicator too, so you can be profitable like you had intentionally planned with the academy. I know you are serving with the military and that takes a lot of your time, but at the same time as well, remember the conversation we had, if we could change the lives of those who are serving as well, while they are on base and, have a little bit of time to trade while, they're free, that also helps with their financial freedom and their plans when they get out.
Hey, Hans,
Yes.
not to cut you off, but I could definitely co-sign on that. I mean, if I had this when I was in the military and this MMA, as far as the indicator itself, and I was doing what I'm doing now back then, trust me, right now, I would have been far. And I understand, not everybody, is all in tune with making money, but you know what? Money is the closest thing, as far as, the air we breathe, it
Right.
makes life a whole lot easier. So this gentleman here, if he's in the military, make the time to, put this indicator to work, man. Trust me, you won't regret it.
I appreciate that. And I agree with you, man. A lot of times we go back in the past and realize if we have certain opportunities or certain, the right knowledge, we'd be further in life, but it is what it is. But this is why we appreciate the present as we go forward and spread this information out to people, because we get more of the benefit to help others than just spreading information just to make a quick buck. All right. This is what we've always discussed. I believe if this continues to fall in the right hands, it will be changing lots of lives. So let's go ahead and keep it up. Your success is a reflection of the product. So guys, I appreciate you. I can't thank you enough. Please continue to grow in your own pace, but also don't stop yourself from leveling up as much as possible. Keep putting in the work, and that's where we will keep it. All right, guys. So appreciate you so much.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you.
Have a great rest of your day. We will touch base right after. Peace, love, and blessings, and we are out.
Much
Thank you,
love.
bro.
Thank you.